Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to see how we can take Uber ride on Uber and pay by cash at the end. So if you're wanting to take Uber ride, just on the home page, there will be several options like ride, food, reserve, package, grocery, rent, hourly cat, charter, all these things. Just click on ride, it will give you where to you want to travel, but initially you have to set your location wherever you are, or otherwise from where you want your taxi or cab to be picked up. So I'm just selecting New York, the main location. From there I would like to go to New York, Liberty Street, 225 Liberty Street, New York. I would like to go. So from my particular location to New York Street, I would like to travel, and all those taxis, Uber taxis, are available for ride. And if you observe, several options are there. In popular category, UberX Black, UberXL Comfort, Uber Green, Uber Pet, UberX VIP, Transit. In economic way, Uber Connect, UberX Air, Uber Connect Bike is also available here, and all those prices are also seen here. There will be several categories in premium too. Apart from that, there are more categories available here. WAV schedule, car seat, all those things are available, and I'm just selecting Uber XL for a bigger space. So Uber XL is costing me 13.31 USD from my place to the designated place. Just I'm clicking this. After clicking this, so many cabs are available here. Uber XLs, so many are available, and in 2 minutes those will reach to my place whenever I book my Uber ride. So Uber XL costing me $13.31, and today's video is about how to pay using cash. So after the destination reaching, I would like to pay by using cash. So for that, you have to select the payment method here. You can pay by Uber Cash, you can pay by your card, you can pay even through the cash. Just click on this cash and close this one. Then if you understand, Uber XL 13.31 USD can be paid through cash. And after that, just confirm Uber XL. That's all. Your ride will be booked, and wherever you are in the New York City, that cab will reach to your place. From that place to the 225 Liberty Street, you'll be traveling. That's so simple, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future. Thank you.